Levels of language. These notes are taken from Jean Aitchison's book, Teach Yourself Linguistics. First of all, we look at the scope of linguistics, phonetics. So linguistics covers a wide range of topics, and its boundaries are difficult to define. The diagram above in the shape of a wheel gives a rough impression of the range covered. In the centre is phonetics, the study of human speech sounds. Phoneticians are concerned with the actual physical sounds out of which language is made. They study the position of the tongue, teeth and vocal cords during the production of sounds, and record and analyse sound waves. Now we look at grammar. In the wheel diagram, phonetics is surrounded by phonology or sound patterning, then phonology is surrounded by syntax. The term syntax in its broadest sense refers to both the arrangement and the form of words. Syntax is that part of language which links together the sound patterns and the meaning. Semantics or meaning is placed outside syntax. Phonology, syntax and semantics together constitute the grammar of a language. Around the central grammatical hub comes pragmatics, which deals with how speakers use language in ways that cannot be predicted from linguistic knowledge alone. This relatively new and expanding topic has connections both with semantics and the various branches of linguistics which link language with the external world. So these branches include the following. Psycholinguistics is the study of language and mind. Sociolinguistics is the study of language and society. Applied linguistics is the application of linguistics to language teaching. Computational linguistics is the use of computers to simulate language and its workings. Stylistics is the study of language and literature. Anthropological linguistics is the study of linguistics in cross-cultural settings. And finally, philosophical linguistics is the link between language and logical thought.